Hi, in this video I'm going to explain another style on CSS. So let's get started as we have a lot of information in this lesson. To specify a border, simply just you have to add three values: the border style, the border width, and border color. Let me start with border style. So let we add here a border for the paragraph. So let me select the paragraph and add the style border, but border style. So border style can be dashed, dot, double, groove, hidden, inherit, initial, and so on. And it gives you this shape, solid. Let me try, for example, groove. Then border width, which is the thickness of the border. So it will be in pixels. Make it 2 pixels. Let we make it, for example, 5 pixels. Nice. Let we make it, for example, spring green. And let we add a background color. It will make it aqua. We can specify all of them in just one line. So instead of all of this, just type border and type the style solid and the width 2 pixels and the color spring green. So it's the same thing. Also, we can specify the border individually, side by side. So we can specify a style for each side. Let me try this. So let me remove this. And for example, for the border from the top, let me specify a style. So border and top. So let me make it solid. And the thickness, let me make it 4 pixels. And finally the color, for example, to make it blue. Then border right, and let me make it, for example, double, and the width just 2 pixels, and the color, let me make it yellow. And let me make the border from left, border left, make it dashed, 5 pixels, and the color, let me make it gray. And finally border param, let me remove the border from the param. So just make it none. So here the border from top solid blue, and from right double yellow, but we can't see it well. So instead of yellow, and if we increase it to be 6 pixels. Nice. So here is double from right, and from bottom there is no border, and from right dashed green, dashed gray. If we remove here, it will be by default none. Nice. So we don't need to specify it. So that's how you can specify a border individually for each side. Let we add a border for the picture. For example, let we make a border from top and from left. So border, top, and let me make it solid 3 pixels, gray, and from left also solid and 3 pixels, and the color let me make it light gray. So here is the border from top, but from left here, and here is the border from left. It will increase here the thickness 6 pixels and here 2. So as you see, we can specify the border individually or just specify a border for the whole element. Finally, we can make rounded borders. How? Using a style called border radius. So here I have empty divisions, orange, purple, and pink. So let we add a border radius for each one of them. Let me make a height for it so we can see it. 15 pixels, and make width also 50 pixels. So height 50 pixels and width 50 pixels. And let we make a background color orange or orange red, this color. So here is the division. Using border radius, I will make it a circle, as a circle. And then you can add a value in pixels or in percentage. So to make a circle, so we have to round all the corners. So it will be 50%. So now it's a circle. Also, let we add a style for the purple. Let we add the same thing. But here, let we change the radius 40 pixels and the color here purple. So as you see now, it's also a circle. Why this happened? Because we specified to be 40 pixels and it's quite close to the width and the height. So if we increase here the width to be 100, so it will be like an ellipse. So we can also specify border radius but for each corner. So I can make border top left radius, let me see. So it will be in this shape. So here is a rounded corner from top left, as you see. Let we add another style for border bottom, then right, but radius, and also let me make it 40 pixels. So now I'll give you this shape. It's like a leaf for a flower. Also let we add the same style for the last division, which is this time is pink. Let me change the color to be pink, and here from top right and bottom left. So it will be the opposite of the purple. Nice. So this is everything about border. Just remain a small tip I wanted to show you. There is a border none or border hidden. We can hide a border for the element that already has a border by default. Like what? Like the input. So let we add here an input and any type, for example text. So the input here by default has a border. So we can remove this border. Let we here select the input and add border none. So the border for the input disappeared, but when we start typing it will be appeared again. So let we add a background. For example, let we make it this color, and let we make a placeholder. So now you tell the user that there is an input here, input a text, but without a border. So to remove the border, when we click the input, let we see how we can do this. So that's how you can remove the border from any element. But as you see here, when we click the input, there is something like border, but it is called outline. So to remove this, let me select the input, but also focus. So focus means that when we click this input, so in this case, make the outline none. Let me try. So now I can click and the outline doesn't appear. Nice. So that's everything in this lesson. I hope you liked it and see you in other lessons. Bye for now.